Well, this is October 29th, having a snowstorm. I'm taking this video as a before video. It's really coming down hard. Snowflakes are huge. Can't see far into the distance. This is highly unusual to have snow this time of year in October. This is our view. It's kind of pretty. Let's see what happens a few hours later, see how it looks, and see if there's much accumulation. All right. It's about 6 hours later. We got quite a bit of accumulation. A lot of snow out there. Some people were out there earlier building a snowman, but it's still snowing. I wonder when we'll see our next snow.